This is Clint with SEVR, and I'm going to show you how to replace your blades in a SEVR Broadhead. First of all, you're going to want to take your old blades out. Make sure that the ferrule slot's totally cleaned out and there's no junk in there. And we're going to put the new blades in. You're going to have two blades. Make sure you put the left side blade on top of the right side so that the locking tabs line up correctly. Simply put it in the slot. Now close the blades. All right. Then take the wave washer, put it on top of the blade, just like that. I like to take the Allen wrench and run it through the hole like that to line up the blades. Makes it really easy to get the set screw in. Get that started. Tighten it up. Reinstall your O-ring and you are done. Finished new SEVR Broadhead, ready to go.